Hi everyone and welcome to the Chef's Kitchen where Ingles caters some of the best events anywhere. I'm Josh Michael here with Chef Kale and today we're showing you how to make some amazing food right there at your home. So, Chef Kale, what are we doing today?
We're gonna make a little cocktail. We're gonna kick up the mimosa.
I love it when we make cocktails.
I know. So I think the plum is the most overlooked stone fruit in the world. It's just the backseat to the peach.
It's the peach, okay.
So we're gonna bring her to light today, all right? So what we're gonna do to start off is we're gonna just let the knife do the work over the stone.
Yep, just roll it over there.
Right? And you're just gonna quarter it. And you want it peeled. And you can't really take a peeler to this, right?
A little soft.
So here is the trick. You just kind of lay your knife, go right along the edges.
Just take that peeler right off, easy enough.
That's it. Then you're gonna chop her up.
All right.
Okay. And go ahead and get me that martini shaker.
All right, martini shaker, there you go.
We're gonna put those plums right in there.
Nice.
So while this is chilling in the martini shaker, see what I did there? We got a little simple syrup going on over here.
Okay.
Just like you would with sweet tea, okay?
All right,
so
water and sugar.
Equal parts water and sugar. Okay. Except for what we're gonna do is once we bring it to a boil, we're gonna kick the heat off and add a bunch of thyme.
Oh, wow, okay.
Okay,
all right.
So it's just gonna be a thyme simple syrup and let that cool down for about an hour or so, hour and a half. To finish our cocktail, I'm gonna take a fresh lemon.
Nice. You're rolling in out there just to get those juices going?
Yeah,
Okay.
And so the best way to do this without having to like use a strainer or anything, you fillet it out so that none of the seeds come out, see that?
Ah, easy enough.
You're gonna squeeze that in there.
Yes.
And you're gonna muddle it.
Muddle, I love that word, muddle.
Muddle that going. And then after it cools down, we're gonna take our syrup,
All right.
throw a little bit in there,
Nice.
and we're gonna finish it with the ice.
Excellent.
So we have, and you can also use sparkling water, but I think you're over 21.
Yeah, I am, I promise you. I promise you. Let's have a cocktail.
Prosecco over there.
All right.
Can't call it champagne, you know why?
Yes, yep, because it's not from the Champagne region.
Of France.
France, okay.
And they're really, really mean about that. All right, so to finish it off, what we're gonna do is put our amazing cocktail in there.
Ooh.
Just a little bit to give it a little pinky color.
I love that, that's awesome.
We're gonna garnish it with some more thyme.
Man, oh man.
And a little bit more plum.
I love it, Chef Kit. You did a great job. Thanks so much for joining us here at the Chef's Kitchen. Yes, please do. For more great recipes and to learn about having the Chef's Kitchen cater your next event, visit thechefskitchen.com. See you next time. Oh.